This baked potato soup is thick, creamy, and an excellent way to use leftover baked potatoes. Baked potato soup is the perfect hearty filling. Stick to your bones dinner for a cold winter's night. This baked potato soup recipe will quickly become a family favorite. Ingredients: 12 slices bacon, 2/3 cup butter, 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 7 cups milk for large baked potatoes, peeled and cubed. For green onions, chopped. 1 1/4 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. Gather all ingredients. Place bacon in a large skillet and cook over medium-high heat, turning occasionally until evenly browned, about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain bacon slices on paper towels, crumble and set aside. Meanwhile, melt butter in a stock pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Gradually add flour, whisking until well combined. Slowly pour in milk, whisking constantly until smooth and thickened. Add potatoes and onions and bring to a boil, stirring frequently. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Stir in crumbled bacon, cheddar cheese, sour cream, salt, and pepper. Continue cooking and stirring until cheese is melted. Enjoy!